Alright, man, it's your boy Fat with another video, man. Today's the day we take the motor out, the 35. First things first, we gotta take the Fox body out, and then
What about the change?
Alright, for sure. And yeah, I already moved all the car. All the cars moved out. We're gonna put the Fox body right here till the customer come pick it up. And yeah, let me get to it. I see we got way more room now. We got the engine hoist up here.
We did that once we took it off, it was crooked. Or
between the
you know what we can do? Once we tire bolt the engine, kind of like lift the engine with the hose.
yeah, we do that. It's plastic?
No, it's metal.
It's metal?
Yeah.
Like you put the floor jack under it?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
I'll just put it right here.
Yeah.
Alright, we back, man. We got the chain hooked up how it needed to be. Gonna lift this hoe up. Alright. You think that shit bending right there?
Huh?
You think this shit bending or am I tripping?
Huh?
You think this is bending or am I tripping?
What?
Come here.
What's bending? What do you mean?
Is it bending?
Yeah, it is.
Alright, man. The only reason that chain snapped right there is because if you look closely at this picture, you see where the tow hook is at. His aftermarket valve cover was too thick and wouldn't let us screw the thing in all the way. And we thought we had it in all the way. Next thing you know, that shit snapped. But he told me before, and then we screwed it in a little bit. We thought it was cool, you know what I'm saying? But it goes to show it wasn't. But yeah. Alright, man, like I said, I'm not no master tech or no master mechanic, but we're gonna go get one right now. He didn't lose no bolt off the turbo, right? Let's wrap around the turbo right here. And hook the chain to it. Right around like two lap. That nigga was wearing it. He was wearing it. He's like, bruh.
Yo, these lines, they're expensive, man. It's like $400. Yeah. Sorry, you're trying to fuck them shit over again.
You seen the big one? Back right here.
What's the dumpster gonna do?
Right now, I'm just putting oh yeah, I'll just give you a minute. Put his motor out. We're going again. Is there another are you ready? Don't put on the old pad, put it like after the old.
You think he's gonna clear the dumpster?
Yeah. That is still recording still?
I hope so.
Yeah. So G, come on, hop behind her. You gotta pick it up, man. I told me so.
You sure you can do it?
I don't know.
You don't want to jacket more?
Nah, we gotta wait till it passes the oil pin. Slit, man. Slit in here. I put?
Oh.
But it been light. What the fuck?
Huh?
All the other times I did this on the BMW, this shit kind of light.
Yeah.
Nah, just put, now you go pull it, keep on it. Alright, yeah. You can just put it right after. That's your hand, Patrick? Sir. You gonna have one? Well, we just leave it off. We're gonna move it later. Yes, sir, G. So what you got to take on this one? The brake booster.
Brake boost. I got the ABS pump, the fuel line, and little shit like the fuel tank. That's it. Oh, I gotta remove the fuel pump. But the fuel pump, that's something that will come later. I gotta remove the shifter. So
What happened? Why you have to pull them off?
oh, this chassis has over 200,000 miles. So
Put a new chassis.
I'm gonna
Like,
And
that
then-
makes sense to
and
Patrick,
then,
man.
and then the
I can understand that.
the old shop who did the job, they did a shady job.
Mm.
So ever since like when we first did this job, we did it with his dad,
Okay.
and the car was running perfectly.
That's good.
Moved down to Miami.
Uh-huh.
It was a manual. Decided to do a DCT swap,
Okay.
and then from there, everything went to shit.
Mm.
So
What are the problems you having with it?
Hmm?
What are the problems?
the throttle body, leak, oil leaks.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's not boosting like it's supposed to.
Well, it only hits a certain amount of pounds.
Last time I drove it, I think I did 24 pounds.
What is it not supposed to hit that?
It's supposed to hit more.
Like cut boost?
Yeah, it would cut the boost.
What's it supposed to hit?
I think this stock motor can handle up to 30. Safely. Yeah, 30.
This is an all-stop motor.
All stock motor.
Holy shit.
Yeah, stock motor.
But this is a rear-wheel drive, right?
Yeah, rear-wheel drive. This one has with the LSD swap, the three rear end on there. So
Yeah, AJ look at it, he's like, oh, this shit fully built. Boy. I was like,
Oh, AJ?
Yeah, because you know, he came after you left.
oh, for real?
Yeah.
But you told him, like, AJ knows start motor?
Yeah, he didn't know something.
Really built, but start one, that's crazy.
Yeah.
No, he didn't know it was like, he thought it was like full bolts on type shit. That's what he said.
I mean, it is full both on
Man, y'all see it, man. Motor out, man. Y'all need to tap in with me, man. That took like 3 days.
Yeah. And funny thing is, I feel like it would be easier for us to remove the stock motor than
Yeah.
this one.
Probably would be.
Yeah.
The stock motor, you don't even gotta take the intake out. You just
Nah.
take the harness out.
The harness out the front end and that's
Yeah.
it.
And what you gotta take off the DCT shit though? Nothing?
Shift. From this I gotta remove the shifter, the fuel line. I gotta remove this. This is a cooler for the DCT. I gotta remove that. I gotta remove this fuel.
Oh shit.
Don't tell me you wasn't.
No, I was recording, but I didn't get the view of this. Yeah, man, we got the motor out. My boy picked me up. We about to go look at his GT real quick, see what's going on with it. Yeah, stay tuned, man. Alright, man, my partnership, man. You finna see what's going on, bro. Shit, it's like whenever he start his car, bro, be having something wrong with it. We finna start up in a minute, though. See what good. Yeah, GT. How much oil you got in it? How much oil you got in it? Six. You got no check engine light? For the cash, that's it? Yeah, rev a little bit. Yeah, kind of goes away. All right, man, we back at the shop. Shit, with the Mustang. Shit, I showed my dad a video. He said he thinks it's the lifters. He did one side of the lifters already, but he ain't do the other side. That's what he told us. So he gonna try to do it himself first, and if he can't figure it out, he gonna bring it to us. But yeah, back at the shop. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. All right, we got G taking off the turbo. Yeah, man. Got blood in this bitch.
Stay down, know that.
Yep, always helping us out, no cap. Stay down. Alright, man, so you see this 335, this the one we putting the motor in. So basically, this one got the lower miles in it. We already swapped the front coilovers, the hood. I gotta show y'all the inside where it's wherever it's where it's really at. Yeah, he got F80 seats in the 335i. This goes crazy, bro. He got the big flex, boy. This shit too hard. Look at bro's dash. Bro, the dash goes stupid too. Red guts. Damn, I didn't know he got the red door panels too. I did not realize that. This shit too hard though. Yeah, it's that N3 sim. But yeah, this is the car we finna put the motor in. He already swapped his interior. All this interior was in the black one. But he already swapped all that over. So we gotta do the motor now. Yeah, stay down. But yeah, man, that's the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more 335 content. We're finna go crazy with these videos. Make sure y'all keep tapping in, bro.
Know that.
Know that. Yeah, make sure y'all hit that motherfucker. Tap that whole one time. Good wood.